So today I'm here to show you how to create something like this. Hi, I'm over here. So you can create a portal or any effect using this technique inside of Davinci Resolve. So let's jump in the computer and let me show you how easy it is to create. So here we are inside of the edit page of Davinci Resolve, and I already have here in the timeline the current video, and I want to put it somewhere around here, a portal showing up somewhere around here. So let's create that portal. So in the area that we want to create the portal, we cut it and select it and go to the Fusion page, and here we have our media in and our media out, and let's start assembling the portal. So I'm going to add here background node. In this one I'm gonna put it to a color like yellow. I'm gonna add here a rectangular mask, and I'm gonna add also here a fast noise. Gonna connect the rectangular to the fast noise here to the and do the same from here to over here. So, and now let's connect this to our media in, and it creates a merge. So let's go to the rectangle, and first thing, let's uncheck here the solid, and let's go to the border width and give it a little bit of a border width. Gonna come here to the width, and I'm gonna change it to something like this, and I'm gonna give it a little bit of a soft edge. Now let's go to the fast noise. In the fast noise, I like to increase here the detail to the max, give it some contrast, come here to the scale and give it some scale, and adjust here the brightness, something like this, and the seed rate also to the max. So the seed rate will move the fast noise. So as you can see, it's doing something. You can come here to the rectangle and add a little bit more like this. Now let's add another fast noise over here. Let's connect our output of the rectangle to the mask over here. Add another background node, do it like this, and in this one I'm gonna change the color to a reddish like this one. And I'm going to connect the output of this background to this one, and it creates a merge. Now let's go to the fast noise and do the same. Increase here the detail. I'm going to increase something like this, the brightness and the scale and the seed rate. Something like this. So let's move it. You can see it's moving. So after this, I'm gonna add a soft glow. And here in the soft glow, I'm gonna reduce a little bit of the blend. Let's something like this. Put the merge here. And after this, I'm gonna add a transform node, and I'm going to move our portal to the place that I want it to be. And now let's put it over here, and I want to add also over here a background node and also a rectangular mask. After this, a transform node, and connect it to over here. And I'm going to change the color of the background node to green. And let's go to the rectangle and let's adjust here the width. It's too wide, so let's give it something like this. And in the rectangle also, I'm going to add here the corner radius, because in this one, I'm going to do the same. And this merge, I'm gonna change, I'm gonna swap by pressing Ctrl T. And I'm gonna come here to the rectangle, and I'm gonna add also a little bit of soft edge, something like this, a little bit. and it's in place. So now let's go over here to the first frame, add the keyframe in this transform node, in the position and in the size. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Something like this. Add another keyframe over here and another keyframe. Let's jump back here and over here. I wanna resize it to be like this. And now it will play and it will show like this, and somewhere around here I want to add here a keyframe, and over here I want to add another one and put it to 0. And now let's go to the edit page, and in the edit page we have here, now let's put our clip that we're going to show inside. So I'm going to put it something like this. I'm going to resize it to the same size. I'm going to put it in here. Let's come here to the Open Effects and type here in the search. Let's search for 3D here. It appears here. Let's drag it over here. Let's select, let's come to the effects, Open Effects. We have to be in here, Open Effects Overlay, and let's draw a line over here. Let's come here to the dispel, something like this. And if you have any problems, you can come here to the Matte Finesse and in here adjust it a little bit more. And now let's come here and let's resize a little bit and let's move it somewhere around here. Something like this. Let's go to the color. I don't have any color in here, so probably it's too dark. Let's go to the edit page, and now if you play it, so you can add multiple effects with this technique and you can refine them even more. So as you could see, it's very easy and it gives a little bit of more refinement to your videos. I hope this information was helpful and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until then, bye!